Hi, everybody. This is Tara from No More Piles, and I am the quarantined organizer. I'm sure by now you guys have felt just as cooped up as I have. And since we're not servicing our clients live in person, we're going to start doing a series of videos to help you organize around your house while you're stuck at home. So by now you've probably changed from your night pajamas into your day pajamas, as I have. I've got my full Ravens gear on. And we're going to start today with your kids' clothes. It's always easier to start with something that's not yours because it's less emotionally stressful. You know, we'll do your closet tomorrow, but today we'll start with our kids' clothes. So you really only need 4 things. 1, a black trash bag for trash, because we all know that kids' clothes, there's going to be some that, you know, you're just not going to be able to salvage. 2, a white trash bag. White trash bags in our industry are donation. So that way we don't mix up the trash and the donation. So white bags, donation, black bags, trash. And you need a notepad and pen. Because the reality of it is, as you go through everything here, you're going to find where there's some things missing, or your kids have outgrown things, or whatever the case may be, but you need to create your shopping list. Maybe we'll be doing online shopping for a while now, but you know, at least you'll have a shopping list of what they need for the next season, the next size, to fill the gaps in their wardrobe. So really the easiest way to start, sadly, is to just pull everything out of a drawer and dump it on the floor. Because once you do this, you got your nice pile of clothes. You can sit down with your kid and go through it, or you can do a preliminary strike and hit everything that you know is destroyed beyond recognition, or is too small, too big, not appropriate, whatever the case may be. Then, once we get down to the end, we're left with, think about numbers. They are only between 29 and 31 days in a month. So if your child still has 30 t-shirts, they don't need more t-shirts. You know, you typically want to have 2 weeks worth of clothes. So without having to do a wash, just in case the washer breaks or your kids go to camp or different things like that where they want to get things done. But the best rule of thumb is you want 2 weeks worth of clothes. So my recommendation is, if you can afford it, have at least 14 t-shirts. You know, more than 14 pairs of underwear, because sometimes those go faster. 14 pairs of socks. Obviously, jeans, sweatpants, those sort of things. You probably don't need 14 pairs. Kids grow out of things so quickly that to keep a full stock of all those could cost you a fortune. And shoes the same way, you know, 2 pairs of sneakers, school shoes, but, you know, when it comes to fancy dress shoes and things like that, they grow out of them really fast. So try not to buy ahead. Once we're done sorting through everything, my rule of thumb is file, not pile. So what I want to show you guys here is clothes are tri-folded and upwards. So the seam is up. What this does is allows your child, or you, depending on whose drawers we're working on, to see the logo on the front of the shirt or what color or whatever the case may be, because that will help them from ripping from the bottom and the drawers being a big ugly mess. So file, not pile. All right, now that you've got your donation stack, you've trashed some clothes, and you've created your shopping list, the next step is to just itemize your donations, so that way when you drop it off at your favorite charity or have it picked up, as the case may be right now, you've got your list for tax purposes and you're ready to go. All right, well, there is episode 1, organizing your kids' clothes. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you again tomorrow.